Hi, we're here in Jerusalem, Israel, and we're just outside the Temple Institute where they're making preparations to rebuild the temple. And you see behind me here, this is the Golden Menorah. And in the tour they said has 95 pounds worth of gold, so a couple $1 million on that. And the Temple Institute started in 1988, making preparations to rebuild the temple. And they've got pretty much everything they need except for the ashes of the red heifer. And 2 Thessalonians 2:4 says that in the middle of the tribulation, the Antichrist will go into the temple in Jerusalem, set himself up as God, and he will then institute 666, mark the beast, and it will begin a persecution of the Jewish people. In order for him, the Antichrist, to go into the temple, there has to be a temple. And so it's right now in the dome, on the Temple Mount is the Dome of the Rock, but we know from Scripture that the Jews, they will rebuild the temple. Now, that temple will not be pleasing to God. We understand, as believers in Jesus, we understand animal sacrifice is no longer required by God, but the temple will be built by Orthodox Jews who reject the sacrifice of Jesus. And so the fact that the temple is very close, I mean, everything is set, everything is ready to go, tells us that Jesus must be coming very soon.